In this video, I'll show you how to fix the cursor AI error that says too many free trial accounts have been used on this machine. This is a common issue that can happen when cursor detects your device by a system identifier, and the good news is there's a quick registry-based fix you can try on Windows. If this tutorial helps, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful software tips and fixes. Alright, let's get into it. First, you need to open the registry editor on your Windows PC. To do that, press Windows key and R on your keyboard at the same time. This opens the Run dialog box. In the box, type regedit, then press Enter. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes to continue. Now that registry editor is open, look at the top address bar and paste this location exactly. HKE as she's our local machine plus software, Microsoft/Cryptography. After pasting it, press Enter. This will take you directly to the correct registry section without needing to browse through all the folders manually. Once you're in the cryptography folder, look at the right-hand side panel. You should see a value called MachineGuid. This is the identifier cursor may be using to recognize the machine. Before making any change, make sure you're on the correct value and not deleting anything else by mistake. Next, right-click on MachineGuid and choose Delete. When the confirmation prompt appears, confirm that you want to delete the value. This step removes the existing machine identifier from the registry. After that, close Registry Editor and restart your PC. This is an important step because Windows will automatically generate a new MachineGuid when your computer starts back up. Once the system reloads, the new identifier may help cursor stop showing the too many free trial accounts used on this machine message. Just a quick reminder, editing the registry should always be done carefully. Only change the exact value mentioned in this tutorial and avoid modifying anything else unless you know what it does. That helps keep your Windows installation safe and stable. If this video helped you fix the cursor AI trial error, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.